You are not a bad person. But does it feel like that is never enough? You are not lazy. You are not a bad person. You are doing your best. But still, do you sometimes feel like you have failed society's success test? Do you feel that invisible pressure on you, even when you are at home and no one is watching? That voice saying, you should earn more. You should look better. You should always stay strong. This week, I shared a series about the reasons that can affect your sense of self-worth. And today, in the final video of this series, we are going to talk about social reasons. This is not a scientific reason, this is my personal observation, because every human being carries the traces of the culture and society they exist in. Does the culture you grew up in see people as individuals? Does it support new experiences? Does it normalize being different from the standard? Maybe the thing you call I am not enough is not really about you. Maybe it is about a distorted system that ties your worth to your performance, your bank account, or how well you fit into society. Today, I want to talk about what I call social value culture. Until now, we have talked about our inner voice, childhood wounds, and performance anxiety. But today, in this final video of the series, I want to put something different on the table. Maybe the thing you call I am not enough is not about you. Maybe it is about the society you're breathing in. Today I want to go a little beyond science and academia and talk about my own observations. So let's look at those invisible walls together. Ask yourself honestly, does the culture you live in truly value people simply because they are human, or does it measure your worth by what you produce, what you earn, and the labels you carry? The capitalist world is often more focused on performance than inner values. It tells you the faster you run, the more valuable you are. If you stop, rest, or fail to keep up with the speed the system demands, it quickly puts the label of worthless on you. But the issue is not always your ability. Sometimes the issue is how much the system can use you. It is the mindset of, you exist as much as you are useful. But you are not a human resource. You are simply a human being. Resources run out. But the value of your existence does not have an expiration date. What is even more dangerous is that sometimes society makes it seem as if the way to gain value is to devalue someone else. From politics to advertising, the same method is used in many places. Create an enemy and put them down. The attempt to feel superior by making someone else seem inferior. When this becomes normal, invisible walls start to grow between us. Discrimination, favoritism, and the belief that whoever is not like me has no value begin to spread through society. So even if you are doing your best, some people may still devalue you just to feel better about themselves. Because they do not know how to express their own worth in a healthy way, they may try to prove themselves through you. Even when you are simply being yourself, there is still a chance of becoming the other. Not fitting into the family you grew up in. Not living according to social rules. Not continuing the life everyone expects from you. All of these are also connected to social values, because when you are different, some people do not try to understand you, they exclude you. Now stop and think, are your values really the same as the values of the society you were born into? Maybe you value spirituality, peace, small moments of happiness, and simply being a good person. But society keeps shouting, if you are not wealthy, you will not have a place in this life. And this conflict can create that endless feeling of, I do not belong anywhere, or I am a failure. What role has society given you? A good employee? An obedient child? A parent who never makes mistakes? Someone who is always there for everyone? If you are tired of playing these roles, do not blame yourself, because these roles may not reflect your true self. They may only reflect society's expectations of you. For example, why is a woman expected to be a perfect mother, while a man is often only expected to be a good father? Why is the worst mother placed on the same level as the best father? Society often tells women, if you are not perfect, you are not enough. And sometimes it tells men, if you provide, that is enough. Will you allow this unfair scale to measure your self-worth? Knowing your own worth is not only an inner battle, it is also the strength to stand against this distorted system outside of you. When society tells you, you are valuable only if you become this, you can say, no, I am already valuable as I am. So if you say, I do not feel worthy, maybe some social conditions are making you feel that way. If you live in a system that does not truly value people, it is understandable to feel this way. But do not forget, you also have the power to notice it and change it. Today, ask yourself, what have I tied my worth to? Social labels, other people's expectations, or my own humanity? Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more awareness-based content.